Hello, good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the binary puzzle. The binary puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, Friday, June the 9th, 2023. Already solved two puzzles, the Sudoku with 1 star, the Sudoku with 4 stars. So two puzzles are left, the tectonic with 4 stars. And this one, yeah, you are interested in this one, the binary puzzle. It's binary time. And this one will be number 6568. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 16 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8. A binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Between two ones comes an O, double O. Here one, there one. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O, double O. Here one, there one, double 1. Here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here in the last row, so the rest are 1s. And 4 1s we have here in the last column, for so the rest are O's. Between the 1s comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. And between the 1s comes an O. Finish in 2 minutes. Well, quick to solve this one. No problems without any comparing. So we solve it again, and I like this one. So we do think so, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today, the tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.